Hey guys, what's going on? Lucy here. So today is my time to review this iPhone 6 in 2023. And so, without further ado, let's get started. So before we begin to the phone review, I'm going to re-unbox of this phone. So this is the box, the side, and the back side. It is a 32GB. Originally bought from U-Mobile back in 2018. It was a brand new, not a used unit. It's a gold color. Everything is original. So now let's open it. Wow, still in plastic. I still keep the plastic. I love to keep everything. So here's the phone. Wow, gold color, looks brand new. Also I have this line still in keep. Let's put it there. Let's see what's inside. The iPhone 6 place, designed by Apple in California book. Let's see what's inside. SIM ejector pin, tutorial. Also got the book, iPhone 6 user manual, info, and the Apple logo sticker. Got the two, never been used before. Warranty. So it should have a earphone, cable, and the charging brick. And 3 of them now has been using. 3 of them still works till now, no problem at all. And for the earphone, that's my daily earphone until now, no problem at all. Using it since December 2018 until now, no problem. So now, let's peel off this sticker. So here's the phone, the condition, very clean, at the side, at the back, very clean. I can say for the condition it's like 9.8/10, never been fall down before, even once. As you can see at the side, no scratch, very clean. Just a bit dirty, just because of just now the plastic. I will clean it later. So before we review to the phone, I'm going to tell you the spec for this phone. It's a 4.7 inch with IPS Retina display. At the top we have a core receiver, sensor, and 1.2 megapixel selfie camera FaceTime. At the below we have a home button with Touch ID, still works. At the back side, gold color, fully aluminium including the side, Apple logo, 8 megapixel rear camera, mic, and dual tone LED flash, and some line, white color. Also at the below, iPhone. At the right side we have a SIM injector, power on off button, line. At the left side, volume up and down, silent switch, line up and down. At the top, nothing. At the below, only single speaker, dual screw, lightning port, mic, and 3.5mm jack. So Apple A8 chip, 1GB of RAM. For the storage, it has a 4 option, which is 16, 32, 64, and 128 with same RAM. All of them are 1GB of RAM. So this phone is very slim, very light, premium feel. Everything is original from factory, including the LCD battery, never been changed before. So now, let's take a look at the UI. Lock screen, home screen. So this is the latest version. Not the latest version, still not update to the latest version yet, but still iOS stuff. So now, first thing first, let's go to setting. Slide down, general, about. It runs iOS 12.5.6. The latest version is 12.5.7. So this is the previous version. Still works very fine. So now let's take a look at the UI. So here's the UI. Search, navigation, control center, widget, and the recent apps. So now let's check out the camera. Very fast launching. This is the camera UI. So maximum 4x maybe zoom. Selfie no zoom. Not bad for the 1.2 megapixel. At the top we have some setting shortcut. At the below we have a camera shutter at the center, gallery at the left, camera mode change at the right side. So what we have is panel, square, photo, video, slow motion and time lapse. So it has a 60 fps slow motion and also 60 fps recording video. This is the first iPhone with 60 fps recording video, only for the rear camera. So if you wanna setting up your camera, let's go to setting. It doesn't have on the camera app. Find the camera, and this is all of the setting for your camera. You can change the resolution for the slow motion and record video too. Very nice, and also not bad for the camera. Since it runs iOS 12, still many of the apps are still support with latest update, and some of the apps are not support. It require at least iOS 13, iOS 15 and above. And some of the apps require latest version iOS 16. And so, before I end this video, you can give a feedback for reviewing iPhone 6 in 2023 in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on this video. Goodbye and have a nice day.